Guys, it's Ivan. Welcome to the coupon count. Today we are going in Dollar General to do our 5 off of 25 Saturday scenario for $9.14. So let's go in here and let's get it going, guys. Okay, so let's get to our next deal. Grab one per seal at $5.50. It's a $2 coupon. One Lysol spray at $7.35. It's a $3 coupon. Two Crest at $4 each. It's a $3 off 2 coupon. Then one Febreze fabric spray at $3.30. It's a $2.30 coupon. So you're gonna grab these 5 items right here. We're gonna look at all the coupons first. Okay, the Crest toothpaste is $4. You have 2 coupons, a $2 off 2 and a $3 off 2. We're going to concentrate on the $3 off of 2. Don't forget to clip your 5 off 25 because that is what's going to bring you down the lowest. And your per seal is $5.95 and you have a $2 coupon off and a spend 20 save 5 if you want to do that deal. We're concentrating on the $2 coupon. Lysol sanitizer is $7.35 and you have a $3 coupon. So let's do the math. The per seal is $5.95. The Lysol is $7.35. The toothpaste is $4 each. And the fabric spray is $3.30. $24.60. So you need to add on plus 40 cents. Leave you at $25 evenly. Now the first thing you're going to do is take your 5 off 25. Take your $2.30 off your fabric spray. Take your $3 off of your toothpaste. Take your $3 off your Lysol. And then take your $2 off your per seal. Leave you at $9.70. Divide that by 2, 4, 5. $1.94 each. So my takeaway is paying $1.94 for this per seal. I'm doing fantastic. Even $1.94 for this is even great too. So you have all these great deals right here. Now you can swap them out for anything else you want to use. Remember, if you want to do that spend 20 save 5 on the per seal deal, you need to go up to $30. Okay, you have to go up to $25. Once that 5, it's gonna take this $5 off first, so that's why you need to go up to $30. Okay, so I hope I explained that right. All right, guys, let's get to our next deal. Okay, guys, let's do this deal right here. You're gonna grab one game for $5.50, one Colgate toothbrush for $3.35. It's a $2 coupon. This has a $1.50 coupon, but it is a Dollar General coupon, so you must cover that $1.50. Then this is $12. It has a $5 coupon. This is $3.30. It has a $2.30 coupon, and then this is $4. It has a $2 coupon. Okay. So we're going to do the math and let's look at all the coupons first. Okay, the Crest toothpaste is $4 and it is a $2 coupon off 1. Then it's a $3 coupon off 2. We're going to use the $2 coupon. And the Crest Colgate toothpaste is $3.35 and you're going to use the $2 off 1 coupon. Don't forget your 5 off 25 right here. Then the Gain is $5.50. You have 2 coupons. One is for a $1.50 DG coupon. You must cover that $1.50 before your 5 off 25 will come off. Then you have a spend 30 save 5 if you're going to do a Gain deal. Then you have the Airwick, which is $12. You have 2 coupons. You want to use the 5 off of the save $5. Do not do like I did in clip 2 because this one will come off first, but you really want that one to come off. So what I'm going to do is I'll hold out and let this expire and then I'll use this one. Okay, so let's do the math. Gain is $5.50. The Colgate toothpaste is toothbrush is $3.35. The Airwick is $12. The Febreze spray is $3.30, and then the Crest toothpaste is $4. It took us well over. We only need to go up to $26.50, but we're up to $28.15, and that's okay. Now first you're going to take your $1.50 off that Gain because that's what's going to come off first. Then you're going to take your 5 off the 25. Then you're going to take your $2 off the toothbrush, $2 off of the toothpaste, $2.30 off of the spray, and then $5 off of the Airwick. Leave you at $10.35. Let's divide that by 5 products, and you're paying $2.07 for that game deal right there. Okay, so my takeaway is actually paying $2 for this. That's my takeaway. $2.07 for this and $2.07 for that. I am doing great. So I'm okay with that deal. Let's get to the next deal. Okay, next deal. Grab one Febreze fabric spray at $3.30, a $2.30 coupon. One Lysol at $7.35. It is a $3 coupon. 2 Crest 3D whites at $4 each. It's a $3 off 2 coupon. And one Mr. Clean at $6. It's a $2 off coupon. Okay, so let's look at the coupons first. Okay, the Lysol is $7.35. It's a $3 coupon. Don't forget to clip your 5 off 25. That's important. $4 for the Crest 3D wipe. We picked up 2. We're gonna use the $3 off 2 coupon. Your Febreze fabric spray is $3.30, and you have a $2.30 coupon that expires tomorrow. Clean Freak is $6, and you have a $2 coupon. Okay, so let's do the math, guys. Okay, the Febreze fabric spray is $3.30. The Lysol air freshener is $7.35, and then you have $4 each for the Crest, and then you have $6 for the Clean Freak. $24.65. Now you know to grab something for the rest of that, the 35 cents that you need to add on to make it round up to $30 to $25. Okay, so you're gonna round it up. Yep. $25 on the head. Okay, take your 5 off 25 automatically. Take your $2.30 off the Febreze. Take your $3 off the Lysol. Take your $3 off the 2 Crest 3D whites, and then take your $2 off the Clean Freak. $9.70. Divide that by 5. Leave you $1.94. Okay, there you go, $1.94. Now that we did that, guys, I want to show you some substitutes that you can do. This is a great substitute. It's $5. It's a $1 coupon off of this. Okay, that's a good substitute because this is Cotoneer. It's 4 rolls, $5. Try to put the subbies together, guys, so you'll see what you're doing. Now, this is $3.35. It is a $2 coupon attaching to this, making it $1.35. That's a good coupon. The Irish Spring is $5.50. It's a $2 coupon, or $2.50, I believe. The soft soap is $5.50. It's also a $2 coupon. The Clorox is $3.35. It is a $1 coupon. Now, I want to show you some deals that you can do, but you need to put them together. If you want to add deodorant, a cheap swab deal. This is a Dollar General coupon. So if you want to do this deal, you'll buy 2 of these. They'll come up to $6.95 or 65 cents. It's going to automatically take $2 off. You have to cover that $2, okay? It's a Dollar General coupon. Now, another thing you can do is the Finish. The Finish is $5. It is a $2 coupon to this also, right? So you have to cover those deals that you do. The object is to cover the Dollar General coupon. Now, one thing Dollar General started doing was this. Let me show you, because I noticed it last time and I need to go back to it. See, if you clip this 5 off 25. Now, if you clip this plus that, it's going to take this off. What you want to do is go up to $40. If you want to go up to $40, do not clip this, because it's going to take it off and it's going to drop you down below $40. So only clip that coupon, okay? That's that deal, all right? So we showed those. Now don't forget, you also can do food deals. All the food deals that I did on the Any Day deals with food on Tuesday, you could use those deals and go up to $25, all right? Just as well.